Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change thermostat Audi A4 B7 step by step. Begin by safely lifting the car and draining coolant into a container, then locate the thermostat housing at the engine, loosen hose clamps, remove bolts, swap the thermostat and gasket, reassemble, refill with coolant, and run the engine to bleed air while checking for leaks and proper temperature rise, and wear gloves and eye protection during the job. With the car secure and coolant drained, remove the radiator hose and unbolt the thermostat housing gently so you do not strip threads or drop bolts into the engine bay. Pull out the old thermostat and inspect the housing and mating surfaces for corrosion, then clean both surfaces thoroughly using a rag and suitable cleaner, ensuring the gasket area is smooth and free of old sealant or debris for a tight new seal. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The product seen here makes meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that also keep your workshop tidy and snacks safe while you work. Look for the link and other deals in the description below so you can grab them easily. And if you enjoy these tips, consider sharing the video. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new thermostat into its housing with the correct orientation and seat the new gasket or apply recommended sealant evenly, avoiding excess that could obstruct flow. Reinstall the housing and torque bolts in a crisscross pattern to manufacturer specs, then reconnect hoses and clamps securely. Refill the cooling system with the proper coolant mix, run the engine while bleeding trapped air, and recheck for leaks and steady temperature rise to confirm a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.